So the ocean is always in motion, and that means that anything that lives in the ocean is at the mercy of the currents. So unlike on land, where say a tree is always at the same place, in the ocean that's not true. Bacteria, microbes, plankton move along, and that is what we call the seascape. The seascape is about how organisms in the ocean are constantly on the move and have to adapt to constantly changing environments. Sometimes they are in the tropics, then they are in the subtropics. And that means that the amount of light, the amount of nutrients constantly is changing. Now what in AtlantECO, what we are trying to do is to understand how that works and why ecology, theoretical ecology that has been worked out for land environments, why that doesn't work in the ocean, why the ocean is so special. And if we do get to theoretical ecology that does work for the seascape, then we can use that to much better understand what happens in the ocean in a changing climate and how the ocean can better be managed.